Hey there, quick review on these JCL products, bench vise accessories. These are a must-have to be able to kind of accessorize your bench jaws and protect whatever types of material you might be working with. So as you see here, we've got magnets on both sides of this so that you can clamp these on either way. If you want to use the flat and smooth portion, you can clamp it on and use these like that, and you've got good coverage for clamping in that orientation. Now, you'll also notice all of the grooves on this. That's going to allow you to clamp small pipes and parts in place at different angles or straight on, or even all the way through horizontally. You could feed a small pipe through horizontally and it would work great. The material on this, it's more of a plasticky composite material, so it's going to be non-marring. It's designed to not damage whatever it is that you're working on. So a must-have accessory here for your bench vise. These are 6 inches long, and this is an 8-inch vise, but work great. Excellent product overall. I would recommend these.